A quiet morning at the office. The phone rings. René Rosine, manager director of Prema Racing, wants to involve the 3D Beta team in an adventure that has the flavor of a great challenge. For the first time in the history of motorsport, an Italian team wants to create an operational headquarters in America to compete in the IndyCar Championship. In less than 60 days, we define the project of 300 linear meters of workshop. We produce in our plant on the outskirts of Milan and ship 10 containers to Indianapolis, US. In November, our team of 5 people lands in the US and reaches the county of Fisher, Indiana, completing the assembly of the new facility in just 5 days.
As Prema, we decided for 2025 to join a new challenge, a new project. We just setting up our new team for the IndyCar Championship based in Fisher, and we want as well to bring the Italian brand, the Italian flavor, also in our facilities here, and that's why we choose a partner like 3D Beta, representing as well Italy in this important championship, which is IndyCar.
The furniture is unbelievable. You just look around at the quality and the professionalism of the furniture and the message that it sends and the standard that it sends to the race team. It's unbelievable. It's given us an incredibly amazing environment to work in, and one that we're very proud, and one that hopefully encourages the team to go on and win great things.
We're here in the Prema workshop. We've got a 30,000 square meter factory with roughly 53 people working inside. Inside here in the main area, you see we got 8 car bays where we'll keep our 5 IndyCar chassis, build them into race cars, prep them each week before every race. We got a number of other rooms also with sub-assembly, gearbox, dampers, parts department, and they're all getting kitted out with brand new 3D Beta equipment.
I'm Callum Aylor and I'm driving one of these amazing Indy cars. We're here in this Prema factory. It's been an amazing journey seeing this come from basically nothing and building such an incredible factory. It's really, really big and it's an amazing journey to see.
Shwartzman, the rookie at the Indianapolis 500, down to the yard, Brooks and over the line.
In its first year, Prema Racing kept the Indy 500 pole with rookie Robert Shwartzman.
Callum Aylor returns full-time to the NTT IndyCar Series with Prema Racing.